Hi, everyone. My name is Anna, and I'm a product manager here at TravelJoy. Let's take a look at how Copilot can help me fill in the introduction for this proposal that I'm currently working on. So this is a trip for a group of friends to Punta Cana. We already have some context in here. I'm still working on it, but I think it's time to add in that snazzy, attractive introduction to this proposal. So let's go into Copilot in the builder right here and ask Copilot, add a title and image. Copilot is going to take the context from this proposal to draft a custom introduction that reflects the contents of this proposal. Let's take a look at how it did. We have a nice title here, Adventure and Relaxation Getaway. I think that's a great description for what this proposal contains. It even highlights things like the hotel, and some of the activities such as the catamaran cruise and zip lining. I don't love this image though, so let's go in and ask Copilot to try again. Please add an image of Punta Cana Beach. My request is far from perfect, but what's great about Copilot is it can generally understand our requests even beyond like typos and imperfect grammar. So I don't have to worry about the small things. I can just get that request right over. Okay, I love this image. Beautiful sunset. I think it's conveying relaxation and a wonderful getaway. So I think this is a great intro for my proposal.